Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2020 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. Comes equipped with the 2-liter turbo engine, paired with the 9-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated and ventilated seats, 360-degree camera, panoramic sunroof, navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with tons of extra storage on the bottom here, right next to our rear liftgate controls and our seat memory. Equipped with the Bose speaker sound system, and that'll come up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and power windows with the chrome accent handle. Equinox badging, and you're going to have these power adjustable, heated and ventilated seats with the yellow stitch. Very comfortable. Left side you'll have your vents and your lighting control. Left side of the steering wheel you're going to have your cruise control, forward collision alert, as well as your lane keep assist and your heated steering wheel. On the right side is your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. With the odometer cluster control, pretty much access all of your vehicle information, including your economy as well as your maintenance, your adaptive cruise as well as your follow distance. You can also access your music, navigation, and Bluetooth connectivity and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start. You're going to have your dual zone climate control, and here up top onto the infotainment system, like I said, navigation with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access your front, rear, and your 360-degree camera, as well as your trailer hitch camera. If you go across, you also have Spotify, as well as Amazon Alexa and Chevrolet Maps. Down below, you're going to have 2 USB ports, as well as an SD card reader, a wireless charging pad right next to your all-wheel drive, shifter as well, parking brake and cup holder, center console with 2 extra USB ports, passenger side, again, same finish, power adjustable. It's going to go across the dash as well. Speakers up top, and here you can access your OnStar and your SOS, as well as your panoramic sunroof. You're going to have these 19-inch alloy wheels with the chrome mirror caps and the paint match keyless entry door handle. Luggage rack up top, deep tint rear glass in the back with your black badging. As well as in the back, you're going to have the dual exhaust. Of course, with the power lift gate as well, open that up. You're going to have the 60/40 rear folding seats with extra hooks and a 12-volt DC port in the back, as well as extra wheel well storage down below. It's a very spacious rear. Right, moving on to the rear interior, you're going to have, again, storage on the bottom right next to your speakers. That'll come up here to the power windows with the chrome handle. Hop in the back seat, quite a bit of leg room. Storage behind the passenger driver's seat with rear ventilation, rear heated seating and USB ports, as well as on the very bottom an AC wall charger as well. Right in the center, cup holder and armrest, lamps and handles on the side. Right above you is that panoramic sunroof again. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2020 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. It comes equipped with a 2-liter turbo engine, as well as 360-degree camera, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, panoramic sunroof, heated and ventilated seats, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.